Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send money from PayPal to Venmo. While direct transfers aren't possible, you can easily move funds between these platforms using a linked bank account as an intermediary. This process involves two main steps. First, transferring money from your PayPal account to your bank, and then moving those funds from your bank into your Venmo account. We'll cover the details, including typical transfer times and any associated fees, to ensure a smooth experience. The first step is to move your money from PayPal to your bank. Log into your PayPal account, navigate to the Transfer Money option, and select your linked bank account. You have two choices: a standard transfer, which is free and usually takes 1 to 3 business days, or an instant transfer. Instant transfers come with a small fee, typically 1.75% of the amount, but your funds will arrive in your bank account within minutes, offering quicker access. With your funds now in your bank account, the next step is to transfer them to Venmo. Open your Venmo app, tap the Pay or Request button, and then select the option to add money from your bank. Similar to PayPal, Venmo offers both standard and instant transfers. Standard transfers are free and typically take 1 to 3 business days. For immediate access, you can choose an instant transfer, which incurs a fee of 1.75% of the amount, but the money arrives in minutes. To summarize, while you can't directly send money from PayPal to Venmo, using a linked bank account makes it straightforward. Always remember the 1.75% fee for instant transfers if you need your money quickly. For the smoothest experience, ensure you have the same bank account linked and verified on both your PayPal and Venmo profiles. This two-step method is the most reliable way to manage your funds across these popular payment services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.